Okay, let's get to our weather now, and it's nice and cool out there, Josh.
It is.
I don't think I'm used to this for July, like a real nice cool down. I mean, it just feels like almost spring.
And you're not the only person, because over the past several Julys, right around the 4th, we've been up into the 90s. So these upper 70s, the low 80s, a very welcome sight for so many of us. And hey, a great evening to spend some time outside. Look earlier from this evening out towards the Keller Fountains. Those clouds started to increase ever so slightly above our heads. But overall, this is going to be the trend that we hold on to for the remainder of the week as we dive our way deeper into the month of July. A beautiful, dry, live look out over downtown Portland as we hover into the low 60s. We will start to clear out those skies if they have not already cleared out across our area as temperatures fall back into the low to mid 50s. With our satellite and radar showing some of those clouds still lingering across parts of the Portland, Vancouver metro area, but the thunderstorm potential, it does ramp back up again for Thursday out towards the southeast corner of our state. Less than ideal, especially when we are talking about the fire concern, as a red flag warning still remains in effect for the south central, southeastern locations of the Beaver State until about 8 o'clock on Thursday. It's the lightning that poses the biggest concern because of this low pressure system that is slowly peeling its way out of the western half of the country to prepare for this trough of cooler air, which in turn will also help to kind of jumpstart some of that thunderstorm activity east of the mountains. So the I-5 corridor just enjoying the cooler temperatures and also the abundant sunshine. But a ridge of high pressure begins to build out over the Pacific. That will be sending us back into the summer-like territory as we start to work our way into next week. So here's our future cast. We'll start the day off tomorrow with some cloudy conditions out towards the south central. There's those thunderstorms starting to bubble up, tracking their way from the south to the north. And for the start of the day on the 4th of July, expecting to see maybe some decent rain out towards the central regions of the state. Less than ideal for getting out and about, but hey, we will take it as long as it comes our direction, as everything is calm, quiet, and clear for the I-5 corridor. Now, Independence Day, right here in the Rose City, we will be flirting with 80 degrees and plentiful sunshine. And if you are traveling here across the Pacific Northwest for the 4th, that's where we will see that warmer pocket of air through the Columbia River Gorge. And if you're staying right here at home, the Waterfront Blues Festival, well, your planner for Friday does show us getting back up into the upper 70s. And if you're staying all the way through, say, maybe the fireworks show for Friday night for the 4th of July, maybe pack just a light jacket, because we will hold on to those clear but cooler temperatures by about the time you start packing everything up into the mid 60s. Tonight, we'll fall back into the 50s with clearing skies, winds out of the northwest at about 5 to 10. Tomorrow, bouncing back up close to 80 degrees. So what we felt today, what we will feel tomorrow is really going to be taking us all the way through the holiday weekend. Our 7-day forecast shows that stable weather forecast just so happens to be falling over the Portland Waterfront Blues Festival. We will take that as opposed to the 90s we've experienced over the past 2 years. And then if you are a fan of the summer heat, it does return by the time we move our way into Tuesday and Wednesday. We're talking about highs back up into the mid 90s. All of this coming as the number of rain-free days continue to add up for us, Liz.
All right. And, you know, I ran into Adam just now, and he's like, what are you looking at? I was like, looking at the outfit I'm going to wear for Blues Fest, you know? So
gotta stay comfortable.
Yeah. So thanks, Josh. And Adam,
You got to do what you got to do around